Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing fine. So the recipe which I'm going to share today is one of my personal favorite. I really like making it, and every once a week I do make it and have it. And the recipe that I'm talking about today is prawns masala. I am a very big seafood fan, especially a non-vegetarian fan, but yeah, even seafood fan. So in seafood I really like prawns, and I have my own personal ways of making the prawns masala, and with that you can have chapatis or rice, whichever you are comfortable with. You are gonna get a very tangy and spicy same taste at the same time, and you're gonna love it. Please do try this recipe. And yeah, without wasting further ado, let's get started. I've taken a pan. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. This is vegetable oil. Let it cook. Let it get warmed up for 2 to 5 minutes. You want, you can take rai tel also. That is also good for cooking seafood. Now in this I'm adding a pinch of hing. Hing is good for digestive system. That is why. Little jeera. Let it cook. Now adding few curry leaves. It gives a nice taste. Now you can see it's all brown. I'll be adding one big chopped onion in it. Again, give it a nice stir and let it cook for 5 minutes on low flame, low to medium flame, so that our onions turn golden brown. Now my onions have turned golden brown. In this I'm adding 4 to 5 green chilies for the spicy taste, and a big tomato finely chopped. Again keep stirring. A bit stir, let it cook, let the tomatoes get cooked. Now you can see the tomatoes are cooked after 2 minutes. 1 spoon of red chili powder I am adding. Half spoon, I will be adding half spoon of haldi. Half spoon of dhania powder. And half spoon of jeera powder in it. All the masalas are put. Now I'll add little salt in it. Salt as per your taste you can add. Give it a nice stir. Saute it really well. See, now it has turned into a proper masala kind of a texture. Now I'm going to cook it more and adding a cup of water. Cook it for 5 minutes on high flame. We need the oil and the water, the gravy to get I'm so sorry, I forgot actually. Yeah, the water and the oil to get separated, and I have closed the lid. Open the lid after 5 minutes. Now you can see it's looking so nice. Give it a nice stir again. Everything is cooked. In Hindi we call it masala अच्छे से भुन गया है. मसाला भूनना है. That is the secret to a proper curry or a masala. Again on a low flame and putting the lid. Cook for again 2 to 4 minutes. Really well. Now let's see. Okay, so now this is what we want. A proper masala texture. Oil is separated from water, from the gravy actually. And now you can see how nice it is looking and proper red. Now I washed it. I washed the prawns. These are not the small prawns. These are a bit bigger ones. And I had put haldi and little salt in it. That is why the quantity of haldi and salt before I put it less only, because I already have haldi and salt in my prawns. Give it a nice stir. Keep stirring it until the masala is there on all the prawns. Now again put a lid on it. 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can see how nice it is looking. Again I am adding half a cup of water because I don't want my masala to be that thin. I don't like typical gravy. I want proper masala texture and a bit semi dry. But if you want a little thin gravy, you can add around 2 cups of water. Depends on your preference. I like thick gravies, especially semi dry consistency of prawns. It tastes very nice. Again cover it with a lid for 5 minutes. Now you can see my prawns is all ready. It's all cooked and how beautiful it is looking. Now in this I am adding coriander leaves we've added. Now again give a nice stir. How beautiful it is looking. It is gonna taste also that yum only. Nice spicy tangy flavor you are going to get in this. Now you can see my prawns is all cooked. Now let's remove it in a bowl. I've removed it in a bowl. I hope you like my prawns and the recipe. You can try it with rice or chapati, whichever you like, and you're surely going to love it. And you please do let me know if you like my prawns masala recipe. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.